chi'n cadw'n saff ac yn hapus, pob yn oce. Da ni am wneud fideo bach fitness rhywun. Ta ni'n gallu wneud efo mam a dad, nain a taid, bynnag sadle efo chi, brawd y chwaer. Hi guys, I hope everyone's okay, keeping safe and well. We're going to do a video of keeping fit. You can do it at home with mum and dad, brother and sister, nain and taid, whoever's at home with you. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with a warm-up, guys. Okay, first one is just walk on the spot. Okay, simple. Yeah, walk on the spot. We're going to do this for 40 seconds, and then we're going to have 20 seconds break. Okay. Last 5 seconds. And break. While we're breaking, we're going to do some swing of the arms, okay? So we're going to warm the arms as well as the legs and the upper body as well, okay? So just swing the arms back and forth while we're breaking, going into the next warm-up, okay? 5 seconds. This time we're going to go into jog on the spot, okay? So jog on the spot. Just gently. Start warming up, ready for our sets, okay? Next 5 seconds. And break. Again, swing your arms side to side. Last 5 seconds, we're going to go into the last warm-up, okay? Just a few high knees, okay? So here we go. Last 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Shake it off again. Okay guys, that's the warm-up done. Now we're going to go into our supersets. Cool. Okay guys, first exercise is going to be the squats, okay? So simple, spread your legs, feet shoulder width apart, and we're going down for 40 seconds, 20 seconds, and we're going to have a 20 seconds break, and we're going to do 3 sets of these, okay guys? So 2 minutes all together. Here we go. And break. Shake your legs. 20 seconds break. Let's go again in 5. And go. Squats. Break. Support the squats, guys, to go all the way down, keep your back straight, okay? Feel the burn on the legs. seconds. And here we go again. That's 5. And break. Shake off again. That's your last one. We're going to go into the second exercise, which is lunges, okay? Seconds. And break. Shake it off. Again guys, it's important when you're going down, keep your back straight, push all the way down, okay? Technique, very important. Shake off again, here we go, 5 seconds. We'll go for another 20 seconds, here we go. Go. Seconds and shake. Five seconds, we're going in for the last set. 2, 1, here we go. That's 5 seconds, guys, keep going. And break. Shake off again. Take 20 seconds, and then we're going to go into the third set. Guys, we're going into start jumps, here we go. Seconds and break. Shake it off again. Five seconds, here we go. We go for the second set. 1, here we go. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Something on here. Ten seconds. Do the last set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go, last one, come on. 10 seconds, come on, keep going. 2, 1, and shake it off. Well done. And break. Guys, we're going into the plank now, okay? So there's 2 different ways you can do it. You can do the easy way or the hard way. going to show you the easy way, on your knees, and just keep like this for 20 seconds, sorry. The hard way, so we're putting our feet up, legs off the floor, and we're going to go for this, okay? Ready, go. Try and hold it for 20 seconds, guys. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Come to your knees. Take a break. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, we're going again. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Then come to your knees. Last one now, guys. Ready to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Seconds. And break. All done, guys. Is sit-ups, the crunches, okay? Probably the easiest sit-ups you can do. So we're going to go down, cross your legs, and we're just going to go up, okay? Here we go. Five seconds. And break. Step. Five seconds, guys. Going again. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Five, 2, 1, a break. Step again. Last set now. Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, last one, guys, come on. Five seconds. 2, 1, and break. Well done. Now sit-ups. Okay guys, we're going into the last exercise now, which is the press-ups, okay? There's two ways again of doing this, easy and the hard way. The easy way is on your knees and down, okay? And obviously the hard way is legs up and we're going down, okay? So we're going to do this now for the last exercise, 3 sets to finish off. Here we go. 5 seconds. And break. Five seconds, we're going again, guys. Ready, go. Last 2. And break. Well done, nearly there, guys. 1 more to go. Last 5 seconds. Here we go, guys, last one. Let's go, let's push, come on. And stop. Break, well done, guys. That's your exercise done. Hope you all give it a go. Mum, dad, brother, sister, line the tide. Send your videos in and let us know how you get on. Cheers, guys.